Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down essentials, platform, current patch, and a clear 30-45 minute window. Once ready, open the map and mark known spawn zones. Use your tracker app or in-game scout to ping clusters. Move to the closest cluster first and scan systematically in a clockwise pattern. This reduces overlap. Make sure to toggle detection boosts and stealth resistances now, because early detection increases encounter odds and saves time. Once done with initial sweeps, switch to a grid pattern dividing the zone into 6-10 sectors and clear each sector completely before proceeding. Use bait or lure items to increase spawn probability and watch cooldown timers so you maximize active windows. If possible, team up with 1 or 2 allies. Assign a dedicated scout to fast sweep, a watcher to cover blind spots, and a looter to approach only when the target is confirmed. This reduces false chases and conserves resources. You close by preparing the capture sequence. Confirm the diamond panda visually, then approach with stealth or slow glide to avoid triggering a flea. Activate your capture gear, nets, traps, or spells, and place a save or quick reload point nearby so you can retry instantly. If you miss it, don't spray resources. Exit the area 500-1,000 meters or relog to reset spawns, then reapply lures and adjust timing. A key troubleshooting tip: if repeated failures occur, swap lure type and test a different sector pattern.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.